All right. So far, in the constituency and across the electoral divisions, 4 electoral divisions, things are going smoothly. Voters are turning out, and so far at the Mandeville police station, where the policemen are voting, policemen and women are voting. At polling station 1, we have 20 persons voted so far. At polling station 2, we have 26 persons. At polling station 3, we have 23 persons. At the Foster Barracks, 1 person have voted so far. In the Nat Patrick electoral division, where the EDWs are voting, 25 persons have voted. At the Mennonite Church, representing the Royal Division, we have 25 persons who have voted so far. In the Belfield Division, we have 14 persons voted so far. And in the Mandeville Division, we have 23 persons who have voted so far.